हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। एंड आज का वीडियो बहुत स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू मीट वन ऑफ माय वेरी डियर फ्रेंड जसलीन। एंड वैसे तो हम दोनों बहुत बिजी रहते हैं बट टुडे वी थॉट दैट दिस इज़ अ परफेक्ट टाइम। उसके पास भी टाइम था, मेरे पास भी टाइम था, एंड देन वी थॉट दैट व्हाई नॉट टू मीट ईच अदर बिकॉज इट्स रियली बीन एजेस। एंड वैसे तो हमारे फ्रेंडशिप को 10 लॉन्ग ईयर्स हो चुके, इट्स बीन अ डेकेड नाउ। एंड जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जा रहा है, our friendship and bond is becoming more stronger and lovelier each day, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm super excited because we are going to have some nice long chats and girl gossips, and then we are going to go for winter shopping and we are going to have a really amazing time. But usse pehle let me show you what I'm going to wear for today. And this is what I'm wearing, guys, for today. This is a white and blue beautiful dress, and this dress मैंने लिया था Global Desi से. This is such a stunning dress. Like, just look at the detailings of it. It's very minimal but it looks absolutely gorgeous. So अभी जो है November start हो गया है but the weather is still a little warm, so I don't mind wearing a little light weighted dress. And but you know, like कभी भी ठंड पड़ सकती है, so I'm just wearing a full sleeves length, and that's what I'm wearing. And इस combination के साथ I'm going to match my beautiful puffy sandals with kitten heels, and ये इतने comfortable है to walk, and I guess like they look absolutely stunning together. And not to forget, I'm going to carry my Victoria's Secret bag, which is going to be in pink, my signature color. So voila, let's get ready. And here I am all set to go, and I just popped in my last minute rose gold hoops and a lovely bracelet to go with the dress. And not to forget, there is my little Coco. Hi Coco! Hi baby! And now we are going to open House Café. So beautiful. Hi Jess. Guys, just looked at this restaurant. It looks amazing, and that is my lovely Jasleen. Hi baby, how are you?
Hey Ruby, we meet finally after ages.
After ages, right? Ages means like?
Been like 2 years. Maybe.
Really?
I know.
Oh my god,
that
shame
bad.
on us. Shame on us.
I am that bad, not you. I am that bad.
And look at Jasleen, as always, looking beautiful and stunning. I love your eye makeup, darling.
Thanks.
Is that a brown smoky eyes?
Yes,
Loved
that's my
it.
patent.
Loved it. And love what you're wearing. Black is never out of you, right? Black has to be there.
I can never go away from that.
I have definitely changed.
You are wearing colors.
I'm
you
wearing
are definitely
colours.
wearing colors, but it's just black makes me look thin.
You look perfect. You look stunning always. And here we are at this lovely open house cafe, and you can see this, guys. Look at this lovely chandeliers. It looks amazing. And look at the stunning you know, like ambience. If you can see, I don't know, but I'll show you in detail. And that is Jasleen, who's always busy. What are we ordering?
There is a lot to discuss.
Okay.
A lot to talk.
All right.
We're going to have a lot of food.
Oh my
to
god,
be
so there's
ordered.
going to be a lot of gossips.
Long
They're like
pending gossip.
girl gossips. Let's have some girl time. Now let's decide what we're going to have.
So we're going to have a classic margarita.
Okay.
and then we are going to have some dumplings, dim sums,
Okay.
and monster fries for now.
Yes, I love fries. Yummy. That's my favorite. And drinks में सोच रही हूँ that you like to go for Cosmopolitan, the cocktail.
Yeah. Yes.
I'll take margarita. No, martini.
Martin.
Perfect. We are done. And that's my martini. And ये है Jasleen का Cosmopolitan. Looks nice. Ooh la la, look
quite
at your
colourful for me
solitaire. Oh, let me focus on your solitaire. Sure. Ah, look at your solitaire. Oh my god. All bling bling, Madam Rich. Super duper amazing. I loved it.
Thank
दूसरे
you.
भी हाथ में है solitaire.
नहीं.
Now I need one. That's the end of today's lovely lunch with my darling friend Jasleen.
Thank you so much for coming.
The
Take
light
your
also agreed
Thank you
that
so
it
much
was
for coming. Yes.
that was like thank you so much for coming. The light also just lit up and it was like कि सही कह रहे हो.
Definitely.
It was such an amazing time, babe. And let's catch up more. कब ये गाएगा? महबूबा महबूबा महबूबा